Hey guys, it's Bill with InnovaLED again in front of our upcoming project downtown Edmonton on Jasper Ave and 112th Street. This is Meridian Plaza. We're changing the lights in the parkade to new LED fixtures. Let's go inside. We started off doing just the bulbs in all the wall sconces. They're all candelabra style LED bulbs. So we'll go upstairs. So yeah, nice building that's relatively new. We had some CFLs in there that didn't last very long, as usual, so it's always tricky to get up there every time. One bulb burns out, you gotta go up there super high, so that's gonna last for a while. All of the downlights we actually installed here too. Just a simple downlight, pop that in. Everything in here in the lobby is 3000K. We're doing the parkade first, but we actually have plans to also do all of the hallways as well. There's 2-foot fixtures above every door, so we're gonna just install the Type B LED tubes, take out the ballast. Tubes work with no ballast, so that's the best option in here. It's like this every floor with those 4 floors. And this is just a nice area. Let's go back to Mitch. Mitch? Sorry about that. I just went on a small tour.
We have to sign a waiver for you guys to take photos.
Okay.
And I gotta bring my lawyer. No, I'm just kidding. It's all good, man. It's all good. More publicity, the better for everyone.
Yeah, for sure.
Are you? Yeah, that's what. Should we go about and take a look-see?
Yes.
And talk?
Yes.
Let's do it.
So here's the one that we installed, just like in the library. I'm not gonna use BX anymore. They're pretty light. I'm gonna change it to tech cable, which is more malleable to work with. It will look much better, more sleeker. And it's not gonna be suspended anymore. It's gonna be surface mounted right to the concrete. Quite a bit more work because new holes like cut through concrete, but it's gonna look way better.
Do you want to you guys are done? Go to the lobby?
If you want to talk more, we can talk more.
No, that's it. That's all I wanted to know.
Okay.
So we're thinking June 4th.
Yeah.
Ish.
Yes. Yeah. Right, what's up guys? We're at Meridian Plaza right now. We got Aiden setting up shop. He's doing all the prep work. When you have a large project like this, doing over 100 fixtures at once, it's good to have a system, like basically like an assembly line essentially. So Aiden's doing all the prep work and passing the fixtures up to me on the left. Then I just install it. So it's way faster than having me like do like all the prep work on the guide jack obviously. So these are the tubes we're collecting. Like it's gonna be double that once we're done. All the old fluorescent tubes are gonna be disposed of properly after the project's finished. They're all set to turn on to maximum. There's motion and stay on for about 30 minutes. When there's no motion for 30 minutes, it dims to about 50%. So yeah, like we're about halfway done now. We're installing the fixture. Got this bad boy mounted.